Today, we're diving into the buzzing world of drones, where innovation and technology meet to create breathtaking aerial experiences. In this episode, we'll be focusing on the DJI Neo, a highly anticipated release for 2024 that promises to set new standards in the drone market. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner looking to capture stunning aerial footage, the DJI Neo has something to offer. This video will take you through its camera capabilities, flight performance, advanced features, and pricing. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of whether this cutting-edge drone is the right choice for your aerial photography and flying adventures. At the heart of the DJI Neo lies an advanced camera system designed for capturing high-quality images and videos. Featuring a 1.5-3-inch image sensor and a versatile 11 to 17.6 meter f2.8 lens, the Neo is engineered to perform exceptionally well in various lighting conditions. This camera setup excels in capturing wide-angle shots, making it perfect for those breathtaking landscapes, expansive cityscapes, and fast-moving action sequences. With a maximum resolution of 4K at 30 frames per second, this drone ensures each shot is sharp, vibrant, and rich in detail. Whether you're shooting for personal enjoyment or professional purposes, the DJI Neo's camera system is tailored to meet the needs of both budding aerial photographers and experienced cinematographers. With its range of creative features, this drone opens up new possibilities for capturing stunning visuals. One of the most appealing aspects of the DJI Neo is its price point. Expected to retail at around $329, this drone offers a fantastic balance of advanced features, high-quality camera performance, and affordability. Its competitive pricing makes it accessible to a wide range of drone enthusiasts, from hobbyists to professionals. The DJI Neo's combination of cutting-edge technology and affordability positions it as a strong contender in the drone market, offering great value for money. For those looking to invest in a high-performance drone without breaking the bank, the DJI Neo presents a compelling option. In summary, the DJI Neo is a noteworthy advancement in drone technology, blending user-friendly design with impressive performance and a host of advanced features. Its sophisticated camera system, exceptional flight capabilities, and intelligent functionalities make it a suitable choice for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. Its intuitive controls make navigation and flying simple, even for beginners, capable of capturing stunning aerial photography with clear, vibrant visuals. Equipped with AI-powered subject tracking and QuickShot modes, enhancing creative possibilities. Offers impressive speed, altitude, and battery life for various flying needs. Priced competitively at around $329, making it an excellent choice for drone enthusiasts seeking both functionality and affordability.